Hey guys, Cindy Lou reporting live from Mayberry. We got a situation. So, a pole out front caught on fire. And our power went out. And it's raining really bad. Let's take a look at the little, lake I got going on back here. Where's the King's Quest Bridge? There's the bridge. Get away from my bridge, water! So anyways, I had to get out the generator because I wanted the sump pump to run. And I think I'm gonna also plug in my sewage ejector pump so I can poo. Anyways, the electric company is working on the pole. It was on fire for about an hour while they all stood around sucking each other's pee-pees. Hey guys, look at the fire. Yeah, that's a fire. What do you think we should do? I don't know. Let me see your pee-pee. Ah! You gotta have a generator. That way, it can suck out your poo! Okay, guys, Cindy Lou signing off here. Let's hope the water recedes and the power goes back on, because this is some bullshit.